Welcome to the Tech Bite. Today, I provided the best plugin for Amazon affiliate program through which you can generate more sales as compared to normal techniques. So let's get started. You can use this plugin for widget as well. Through it you can generate sidebar widget and put there for better user experience. This is my Amazon affiliate stats after I bought this plugin and generated $89.09 in just first 14 days of usage, and normally I able to generate only $25–30, which means it really boosts up my sales. Now let's find out how it works with simple few demos which is already provided on their main website. I will provide link in the description of the video. Go there and check all one by one. You can create different tables here and also single or multiple product boxes, bestseller lists and new releases list as well. I found this plugin amazing feature for my website and I hope it will be good for your website as well. So what are you waiting for? Just open the link and buy it and boost your sales up. You just need to put ASIN number of your product which you want to promote and boom, simple step. Don't need to write full description or details, just one ASIN number and you are set. Now is the time to show you how I promote my Amazon products. The step 1 is already mentioned in the video, which is through widget, but if you want to promote in your article then I suggest using this table option. Just follow my steps and you are ready to publish it in your article. Use this ASIN number and put in there and follow the remaining process. Now make sure which things you need to show to your users in the table. This is all up to you. In my case I usually show these options to my users. After done here you need to copy this shortcode and paste in your article where you want to show by opening the shortcode and paste there. This is how it works and I hope you like this plugin just like I do. Now let's find out how much you have to pay for its plan in the next part of the video. I suggest you go for personal plan if you are beginner, but if you still know things then I would suggest to dig in for plus plan, which covers 3 websites. That's it from this video. Keep visiting us for tech, gaming and tutorial videos.